Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be playing Build a Boat for Treasure because a thief stole our treasure. If you don't know us already, my name is Brashna, but you can call me BK, and this is Zohan, but you can call him Cameraman because of his display name and every other dark secret about him, like he sleeps with a monkey and sucks his butt still. Anyway, before we start, we'd like you to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if we should make more videos like this. So, let's get started. I'm Bob the Builder. No, fine, you can be Bob the Builder. You're lucky you're Bob the Builder. Okay. Bob the Builder, Bob the Builder. I can't believe our thief stole our treasure. It was a piece of pure gold, which I could buy all my sweets. What? Oh, hi, Mr. Bob the Builder. Oh, yes! You're saying to like. Everyone should do that right now for Bob the Builder. Anyway. And subscribe. That's right, Bob the Builder. Now, what else you want to say? Because I'm getting tired of this. Okay, I'm just kidding. Okay, anyway. Yeah, you guys should like and sub. And also hit the notification bell. Wait, is that wait, did they spell notification bell? Yeah, they did. Anyway, Bob the Builder and let's get building. Otherwise, I'm getting a refund. I can't believe the thief stole our money. Isn't that right, Bob the Builder? Yep, you can't believe it, can you? Oh my god. What do I need? What if I just type in D? Dynamite. I can't believe it. There's no dynamite to explode Bob the Builder. Wait, we should explode the thief with dynamite. Granite. There's no black. Oh. Hey, yo, welcome to the fight. Oh yeah, I need one of these. Move, Bob the Builder, you move. Get your nasty butt off my piece of land. Yes, off the land. Off the piece of... No, actually, I don't think I should add the seat yet. I said that move. Bob the Builder moves his butt. Bob the Builder moves his butt. Bob, otherwise I'll kick you off the team. Bob the Builder moves his butt off my land. Bob the Builder moves his butt. Finally, he's off the land. Oh no, you don't! No! I hate you. Sad life. Anyway, what do I need? I need something. Otherwise, we are going to die. And no one wants to die. So no, not yet! Oh my god, you just... I was trying to make a turbo ship. Oh, I got some ice blocks to cover you in ice. Ooh, that's kind of great. A side! Bob the Builder, side! Move your nasty... I'm triggered! Put that block back right now. Fine, I'll do it myself. I hate you. Bob, put it right here in this corner. Not be a nasty monkey. I hate you. Oh. Anyway, I'm building my spaceship. I want to know more info about this block. Strength is 3 is an ice block. Yeah, because I'm trying to make some My life is ruined. My life is ruined! My life is ruined! Okay. Now I have officially got my life ruined by Bob the Builder. Anyway. Yep, my life's ruined. Money. 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 Put that away, Bob the Builder. You're not supposed to show everyone our extra treasure. Good. Now, Bob. No, what did I just do? Anyway, take off the stupid in. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, balloons. Yeah, sure, we need balloons. Don't we, Bob the Builder? For a small little island. At least you're not exposing me. Yes, we do. We need balloons. Yes, that's what I thought, Bob the Builder. You better not psych me. When I said psych, I also meant JK. Da-da. Ha. Now you can't beat me. Bob the Builder more like... You stop! Oh yeah. I hate you. Get off the block, they're not supposed to. Don't do that again. Don't. Oh my god. I'm just gonna keep on hitting my head on the wall. Okay, time to turn off my force field. Hey, I'm your boss, Bob the Builder. Oh, so now I'm Bob the Builder? Yes, I'm Bob the Builder. Hi, my name is Bob the Builder, and I like to punch. Punch the space. Honestly, Bob the Builder. Oh, Bob the Builder. I hate you. Turn off the force field. No, turn off the force field. Good. Now time to add a seat. Otherwise, we'll be sitting there in pain. Especially with you, Bob the Builder. Yes, take that off. Bob, add some 2 ice blocks here. Can you? Don't know your boss. Hey, yeah, guys. Bob the Builder was on eBay, and trust me, you do not want to buy him. Anyway, I'm gonna launch the ship. You don't deserve a seat, Bob the Builder. Fine, I'll make you a seat. Well, you're lucky. Sit down. Okay, let's launch it. You deserve it, Bob the Builder. Oh, so now you want to say my name? Oh, you can say my name after you die. Oh. Oh wow! We're flying! We're actually flying! That's what happens. That's what happens when you trust Bob the Builder. Don't ever let him build. Yeah, now what I'm about to do might hurt. Yeah, me and Bob the Builder died. That was the quietest journey I've ever did. Bob the Builder wants to buy a chest. Oh, wait! That's sad! So guys, shall I tell you what happened? Bob the Builder. So you know how in the chest area, the epic chest is 135. Bob has 134. Sad life, Bob. Bob go cry to his mama. Hey, boy. Oh, so now you want to finally speak.
Yes.
Hey, Bob, stand behind me. No.
Don't try flying on me.
No, I know. Actually, this is a magic trick. Okay, so this is a magic trick that I saw on the Disgusting app. Hey, stand right behind me. This was on the Disgusting app. Bob, oh, come on. Hey, that's what you get. Oh, now Bob wants to speak weird language. Yuck. Get away from me, Bob. What the hell did you just say?
You bad girl.
You just said that. A fly, probably. Totally not Bob the Builder. Hey, Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder. What did you do? I made it in my bowl just in time. I made it in my bowl just in time. That's what Bob the Builder gets. Guys, Bob the Builder is dead. He deserved it. I better watch out my steering. This is a boat I have. I made this boat without Bob the Builder's help. Hey yo, Bob the Builder now wants to talk. Bob the Builder chatted, now he wants to talk. Oh, Bob the Builder, now you want to talk? Okay. So go build me your mama's house. Wait, actually, probably it's gonna be a trash bag that I found on the other street. His mama's house is a trash bag. It's a sad life for him, isn't it? Oh my god, how do I... What the hell is that black thing on my screen? Hey guys, you see that? Oh, that's my cursor. Oh, that's my cursor. and just got destroyed by knives. Classic murder. Bye bye, knifey land. No, no, not this one. I hate this land. No! This one's where you get like no, stop. I have to make it out alive. I have to make it. Oh my god. Did my seat die? Well, guys, if you want us to make more videos like these, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we shall make part 2 soon. Bye bye, guys. Bye. Have a lovely day.